YouTube, it's Ormani back to give another video. I had made an intro, but I did not like it. So anyways, I'm going to start out with brushing my hair because you want to get all the tangles out and you want to make sure that your hair is nice and finger run throughable. So you can start pressing your hair. I'm going to go in with some heat protectant as well for my hair so I don't get heat damage. Hint, that's why I had to cut my hair. And then I'm just gonna section my hair out so I can press it. The heat is on probably 450 degrees. Yeah, I know that's damaging, but you see the smoke. Oh my gosh. But no, that's okay. But I just put on that and I do my hairs in sections. I had to figure out if I wanted to straighten it or not, but you guys see. Self-explanatory.
Break like a baby. Oh God. Working hard, I'ma go get her on a daily. Work hard. I'm about to make a yes come from a maybe. Oh God. On God. Told everyone I was gonna make it, even though they told me I would not. Feeling like it's mine for the taking, so watch me take it. And you can tell me that I'm not. And I put that on everything, cause I gotta get to the bank. They tryna block where it's at. Oh God, they all gon' be mad when I pull up with the rap. Oh God. One day I'ma give my mama keys to a mansion. Oh God. Walk around with nothing but the latest fashion. Work hard. Life is gonna be better than I imagined. Oh God. They told me I would not. Feeling like it's mine for the taking, so watch me take it. And you can tell me that I'm not. And I put that on everything, cause I gotta get to the bank. They tryna block where it's at. Oh God, they all gon' be mad when I pull up with the racks. Yes, come from a maybe. Oh God. Oh God. Told everyone I was gonna make it, even though they told me I would not. Feeling like it's mine for the taking, so watch me take it. And you can tell me that I'm not. And I put that on everything, cause I gotta get to the bank. They tryna block where it's at. Oh God, they all gon' be mad when I pull up with the rap. Oh God. One day I'ma give my mama keys to a mansion. Oh God. Walk around with nothing but the latest fashion. Work hard. Life is gonna be better than I imagined. Oh God. Feeling like it's mine for the taking, so watch me take it.
So that's the end of this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Please make sure to also follow me on all my social medias. And I don't know if I said this again, but subscribe.